Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So this is 99 recipes, and here we share cooking videos that is just under 10 minutes. Yes, nutritious easy meals to make. So if you have plantain in your kitchen but lack breakfast ideas what to do in the morning, I'm here to share with you very simple recipe you can make in the morning for your family. Yes, so here I have two large ripe plantains. I have here cooking oil. This is sunflower. I prefer sunflower. You can use any pretty much oil you want. These are eggs, so I am cooking 4 people. So I use 3 eggs. If you're cooking for 2 people or one, you can just use 1 egg or 2 eggs. It depends. So here with the vegetables I'm using today, I have 1 tomato, I have 1 bell pepper I cut into 2, I have a half piece of onion, and then 3 pieces of green or spring onions. So when it comes to the vegetables, you can use pretty much anyone. Preferably you can use a cabbage substitute if you don't like the green onions, and then you can use carrot if you don't like the tomato. Okay, so the next step is to put some oil. So you can take 3 tablespoons of oil, and then we have our beaten egg. So what we will do, vegetables together. We will add all our vegetables together. So we will try to lay all our fried plantain on top. Okay, so let's put all our fried plantain. So we're going to fill every space with our fried plantain. So as I told you, if you don't want my choice of vegetables, you can use cabbage, you can use carrots, but for me, I like the flavor. Okay, so the next we're going to pour the rest of our eggs. Just spread it all over. If you try this and how it turned out to be making your omelette using plantain. Yes, so thank you. Yes, so this is the breakfast for my family. This is 4 portion. This is 4 servings, and yeah, see you again next time. Goodbye.